Hello everyone, again welcome. In this video, we are sharing some amazing designs and some amazing, beautiful, beautiful recycling ideas. Recycling ideas for Christmas, mindfulness, and old wooden piece, making trees, and many more in this video you have. So in this video we are sharing some amazing and unique crafting ideas like many more like this, and now explore how your passion for X-Mix craft can grow into a small business. Choose a few signature items like handmade wooden old piece and like old bottles, wall decor or tree decor, and hanging on tree or wreath, making your style recognizable, rustic, elegant, minimalist, or colorful. So, now let's talk about social media platforms. Share short videos or reels of your crafting process. People love watching how it's made clips. They are relaxing and inspiring. Use hashtag like handmade xmix, DIY decor, and crafting joy. Offer your crafts at local fairs, xmix markets, or gift shops. You can also display them beautifully at your home or online stores. Start listing your best pieces online. Write friendly story based description. People connect more with the understand love behind your work. You can create YouTube tutorials, online workshops, or printable craft kits. Parents and teachers love mindful creative activities for kids. Sustainable and eco-friendly focus. Today's customer love handmade, natural, and sustainable products. Highlight how your crafts reuse materials, support local creativity, and spread joy. Upload regularly, stay true to your style, and focus on storytelling. Over time, you will build a audience who value your handmade work. X in a meaningful way by turning old wood pieces into something magical. This is not just about decoration, it's about mindfulness, recycling, and creativity. We will explore how simple scraps of wood can become a beautiful X-Mix tree wall decoration, rustic ornaments, and eco-friendly decor, while calming your mind and protecting your planet. The heart of X-Mix isn't in a glitter or store-bought decor. It is in the love and intention behind what we create. Recycling old materials is a mindful act. It teaches us to appreciate what we already have. When you work with old wooden pieces, you feel the natural textures, the grain, the scent, the warmth. It reminds us that everything, even something old and forgotten, can have new life and beauty. This mindfulness process slows us down. Each cut, each polish, each strokes of paint becomes a small meditation. You are not just crafting, you are connecting with this material, with your thoughts, with the piece inside you. Before you begin, you look around your home or backyard. You might find old wooden planks and broken furniture parts or leftover wood from past projects. Remove nails or rough edges. Lightly sand the surface to make it smooth. Keep the natural texture visible, the imperfection make it rustic and charming. You can also use driftboard twigs or wooden spoons or a smaller version. As you clean and prepare the wood, think of it like giving it a second chance, a moment of rebirth. That's what X-Mix is all about: renewal, gratitude, and warmth. Now let's begin our DIY recycle wooden X-Mix tree. Choose different length of wooden strips and branches, arrange them from longest shortest forming a tree shape. Fix them on a central wooden stick or board using nails or glue. You can make it freestanding, wall mounted, or even tabletop size. Paint a white, bend them, glue them. It makes craft or more special when shared with your family, especially kids. Invite your children to help you with painting, gluing, or hanging ornaments and let them do what they want to do. When kids recycle old materials, they learn valuable lessons: how to create, how to care for earth, how to make something beautiful from simple things, how patience and teamwork bring joy. Let them paint their own mini wooden trees or ornaments. Add their names, dates, or small wishes. It becomes a keepsake you will treasure for years. Home decor and recycled craft ideas. Once your wooden tree is ready, decorate your home with more recycled pieces. Wooden candle stains. Use small log slices